All right, I spoke too soon in video number 2. I stated, because I had the blower assembly in the way, that my condensation pan didn't have a crack, but let's see if we can get up in here and take a peek and show you what's going on. I wiped it off, of course, so I can see better. That corner looks good. And I'm going to spin the phone around. I can't see, but I'm going to spin it around so you can. That corner should look good. But if you look over here, and you take a look, we got a stress fracture right there. See it? That's a stress fracture. And you see how it doesn't go all the way down? Okay? I'll explain why in a minute. So we get the light right on there, you can see, right? And then we've got another one here. So what's going on, I think, if you look here, the pan, what I think happened is the installer, whoever installed the pan with a coil on it, set the coil in with the right side first and then pushed down on, or with the left side first, slid this in and pushed down on this side, because I can't even get a razor blade in there, right? This is so tight. I wanted to lift up the pan. I was thinking of lifting up the pan. I said, well, let me check it, wipe it down, and take a look at what I'm dealing with before I even make an attempt to do that, because it's pretty tight in here. So the reason why I was going to lift it up is so I could get underneath it to do what I said in the second video, which put some insulative, something to insulate the pan so it doesn't condensate, the pan on the outside. So that's when I noticed the stress fractures. So that's what I think happened. They set this side down first. It was a real tight fit. And then they shoved this side down, which twisted the pan, and it caused those cracks. So the more I get into this, the sadder it becomes. So I'm really perturbed. This is a really, really sad situation. But I'm going to run out of battery again. So I just wanted to give you guys an update. I'm going to get under here, do the best I can to insulate that pan. I'll do another video, and I'm going to seal up that crack. And just do a Band-Aid on this thing till I get some resolution. I got a brand new coil sitting in the garage, but I don't think I should have to really be paying for this repair. I think this should be covered by the botched install. So we'll see how that goes here in the next week or so. Over and out. I'll keep you posted.